afternoon. Pasok na ako. Ayun. Nahabol ko eh. Sabi mo hi. Good afternoon. Pasalamat sa ay, magandang araw. Isa na ha, maranghaling tapat. Alam ko, nagpapahinga kayo. Hanggang nahabol ko na eh. Nakakaano pa siya. Ano pangalan niya?
Si Ma Angela po. Angela. Ima.
Ima ang masaya.
Opo. Nanay Ima. Nanay Ima.
Nanay Ima. Ano?
Ganyan!
Nandito po si Isko. Hi.
Day, Mayor. Ganyan. Ma. Si Mayor ito, Ma.
Patay na, mananghali. Happy birthday.
Ang dami nga na niya, Mayor.
Talaga?
Antay kayo ng Sunday.
Oh, 100 years old ka na. May regalo sa iyo ang pamahalang lungsod. Kayo na lang ang tumangga. At least magagamit ko yan. It's a very expensive thing.
Araw-araw yan.
Araw-araw yan. Ayun. Mabigat. Pwede yung 100,000 yan.
Thank you po. Ma, ano nga ka? Oxygen mo, Ma. Ma, ito pang oxygen mo at pamper mo.
Wow!
Yan.
Sana eh, papahanap pa kita ng date eh. Oh,
For 100 years old. Ma.
you're very lucky. Your family loves and cares for you.
Open up your eyes, Ma.
Mag-open naman si PBI. Ito naman yung kanyang ano. Certificate.
Thank you po.
O sige, para makapag-siesta na.
Siesta.
Pwede ba ako magpa-picture sa'yo?
Okay, Ma.
Hindi tayo na lang. Halika na. Halika kayo. Mga barangay official, yung mga asin pa yan.
Okay po. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, mauna na ako. Pupunta. Oo, talaga. Uy! Good! Welcome. Prinsesa. Bigyan namin si Gap.
Yes, he's a good friend of mine.
Oh, hi, how are you?
This is my son here, so
We're visiting your lolo.
we're in front of you.
Oh, naman din. I'm just happy to be of service.
Hello.
And put a smile in your body.
Okay, let's see him po. He's ready. And my mama.
Wow! May Viagra pa kayo ah. This is a very old Viagra.
Yes.
Oh, mahirap na makakaligamit na nowadays.
My dad grew up here since his teenage years. He was here in World War II.
Batang pakal ko.
Yes po. I grew up here.
Wow.
It's a very old house.
Yung nanay.
Old style na rin.
Oh.
Ay, this is my sister. She's a therapist.
May, ito pa ba? Basta kayo.
Ay, this is my papa.
Magandang araw po.
This is my papa.
So, pasensya na kayo. Nakabala ko siesta niyo.
Mama.
Oh.
Yeah, let him, he cannot hear well. But... You say hello, Papa.
Magandang araw po. Happy birthday. Oh.
Daddy, Daddy, happy birthday. They say happy birthday.
Oh.
Yeah, take a video, baby. Baby, take a video of Papa. And
You might be able to hear better dito.
Dad, visiting you, Dad.
Oh, don't, ano, we came from the outside. Happy birthday.
He's here to greet you.
Yes, you turned 100. You turned 100. You turned 100. The city government as a program.
Ako lalabas. Kayo na lang
You turned 100 as a matter of showing gratitude to our elders. We gave some gifts. Makabawas man lang sa gastusin niyo. Opo.
Yes, Papa, can you hear me? You don't understand. Mayor Isko Moreno is here to greet you for your birthday.
It's okay. It's okay.
Kaya di daw lang.
I made. Oh, dear. I made.
So dito na siya nung gera pa.
Yes.
Hanggang liberation.
Born 1926 eh.
This area was devastated during the liberation.
You know, I wish you could hear his stories
Oh,
about ano,
for sure, for sure.
He was actually in...
what's that street? San Marcelino.
No.
San Marcelino.
No. Parallel to Taft. We used to call it Pennsylvania.
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 He calls it Pennsylvania.
I think it's Singalong.
Oh.
The bomb hit Lasal, Green
Oh.
Hills. So lahat sila lumipat dito.
Oh, grabe ang nangyari sa Lasal.
Yes, kaya lahat ng Lasalista nun po, naging atinista.
Ah,
Yan ang story.
kasi nadurog yung ano eh.
Nagulog sila sa lahat sila
Ay, kasi Ateneo nasa Maynila nung araw eh.
Yes.
Tama nga naman.
They call it Daddy says Ateneo Gipit. That's the name of the place before.
Do you want to introduce Mayor to Mommy?
Yes, Mayor, this is my mom. She's 87. Mama, come out, Mama.
I'll get out of
She
the
is,
way.
ano naman, Bisaya.
I'll get out of the way.
Tagusan din.
They're the
Ah,
superstars
talaga.
naman.
Mama, come, Mama.
Ay, magandang araw po. Pasensya na. Nagulo namin ng bahay. Ito may special gift ang city government sa husband ninyo for reaching 100 years old. And in our own little way, showing the city's gratitude for our elders.
Thank you so much.
Talaga, kasano ba? Ito si Direktora Beth, ang aming head ng senior citizen.
Hello, Beth.
Pasensya ka na dito. At pangbawas lang sa gastusin. Oh, pwede mo i-date si Mami.
Sa Robinson.
The Robinson.
Oo nga.
Oh, 100,000.
Daddy, oh, para ti, Papa.
Kasi bibihira talaga ang 100 years. Yung maswerte nga siya, malusog pa siya. Isa namin pinuntahan, challenge na.
From him, gift.
Thank you sa taxpayer. Ako sinisinop ko lang.
Here?
Ito naman.
You go.
Ito.
Yes, dear.
Can one of them though go in so that they can take a picture of
Everybody.
Dad and Mayor? Sure.
I would say official photographer.
From here, you
Can Daddy move forward? I'm sorry. Can Daddy move forward?
The mom, it's okay, mom.
Mama, natin siya ilabas.
Okay, para hindi magsikip. Opo, okay lang po.
Ako. Ayan. Perfect. Mami, alis ka.
Would you want this?
Saan na si ating dentist? O, ikaw ang nawala.
Where's my sister?
Ayun po.
Anak, padaanin niyo muna sila. Please.
Tadaan mo natin yung isa. Si...
Batang Maynila, ito ang Antigo.
Can I ask somebody?
Antigong Maynila.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Smile. Smile, Dad. Smile.
Okay po.
Smile na lang at Peter.
1, 2, 3.
I should take a picture of that.
Oh.
It's so cute to see.
Ayan, meron ba kinuha na mo?
Sana doon na lang tayo.
Medyo malinsan
Ano,
mo.
nice naman the picture.
Mag-iingat ka. Ha? I'll
Mag-share.
go ahead.
Look at that, Dad. Say thank you,
Say
Dad.
thank you. Thank you.
Dad, Dad, say thank you.
He said,
God bless you, my dear. If I can help in any way, I will GH po.
tayo partner namin ng PGA. So,
Yes,
tinutulungan kami sa hospital ng Maynila.
Si Dr. Gaple last week po and I were residents together. Sabay kami mag-train. I'm just a few years younger.
Go ahead. Stay healthy.
Daddy, Mayor, say happy to.
Daddy, Esther is Mayor Scott Moreno is Esther. Esther.
Say thank you. Stop behind you. Behind you.
Here. Sorry. I'm here. I'll go ahead so that you can rest now.
Ay, Mayor, can you?
No, I'm good.
Daddy, say thank you, Dad. He gave you